I did it. I did it. I did it. I finally did it. I finally pulled the trigger on one of Louis Vuitton's most iconic, legendary. Is it legendary? I might be pushing it. Legendary might be pushing it, but it's iconic. My name is Rakita, for those who are new here, where luxury has no limits, and let's be friends. In order to be friends, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, and we go together. I mean, we're friends, but we go together, because you stuck with me. I'm sometimes annoying, but you know what I'm saying? I'm a good friend. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Let's be friends. Now, I did it. If you are not new with being friends with me, you probably can already get, I don't know, can you guess though? Because I got a bunch of classic, iconic pieces on my wish list that I've shared before. So I don't know. I don't know. But she's here. I'm so excited. As you know, Mother's Day has just passed, okay? And this was my Mother's Day present to myself. My husband got me an experience. I should have waited though, because what had happened was, right, I had already ordered the bag before he asked me what I wanted for Mother's Day, right? Well, he asked me, he was like, do you want a bag or something? And I was like, well, I already bought the bag. Why you couldn't ask me 12 hours earlier? You know what I'm saying? Like, I had a whole attitude. I already brought the bag. So I was like, now you figure it out. You figure it out. Okay? So we went to dinner and stuff. He got me a little spa package and everything. It was cute, but I was mad because I was just like, you know, 12 hours ago, I could have saved myself some money.
That was crazy. That was crazy.
Whatever, lesson learned. Next time, girl, just have patience. Anyway, get into the bag. I'm sorry, my bad. So here is the bag. Here is the bag. Okay. Now listen, I'ma tell the truth and shame the devil. I'ma tell the truth and shame the devil. I had opened this box already. Okay. Cause Mother's Day was Sunday. Today is Tuesday. You think I was going for how much this bag costs in this economy? In this economy, you thought I was gonna wait to open this bag? No ma'am. No ma'am, no ham. Okay, but I did, as you can see, because you probably like, girl, is the economy that bad? They wrapping the ribbons this raggedy. They ain't do that. They ain't do that. I ain't even going for her. I ain't gonna hold you. They ain't do that. I tried to listen, don't judge me. I don't work at Louis Vuitton, okay? But I did want to, you know, to share the experience. Girl, I know you seen a box open before. Okay, my bad. Let me just go ahead and open the box. Okay. Now, I did open it. I looked at it. Made sure for how much this is. Okay. I could buy a whole baby bird for how much this bag cost.
What?
Okay. So I needed to, because I didn't know when I was going to film. I'm not even going to hold you. I didn't even know. So I was like, let me make sure ain't no scratches. Ain't nobody breathe on it. Okay. I got all my. Okay. So I did open it. All right. And it's. Now, you know, Louis Vuitton ain't going to give you no papers, no stickers, no wrapping or nothing. They said put it in a box and ship it. Alright, there we go. Now here she is. Here she is. Can you guess what it is? Yes! She is home, honey. She is home. This is the Louis Vuitton. I don't know why I'm looking at the tag. Like, I don't know the name. But yeah. Wait. Okay, the Louis, I was going to say trunk, but it's the side trunk in the MM size, okay? Product code M46358. Child, I don't know why I'm reading, because this bag, it's not like this is from a new launch, okay? But it was on my wish list. It's been on my wish list forever. Every time I go pull the trigger, there's always something else, like a new release or a limited edition that I want. And since they put this on a classic side, I was like, oh, she can wait, she'll be there, she can wait. But then they start price increasing, and I'm just like, you know what, motherfucker, the way y'all playing with my emotions, Smokey, let me just go ahead and get this bag. Let me just go ahead and get this bag. And listen, in this economy, you gotta be very careful. Gas is $4.16 around here. $4.16. Okay, so I understand this ain't the time. This ain't the time to be buying luxury goods. I understand. But I was bored and sad, so I was just like, okay, well, let me go ahead and just go ahead and get it. Okay, and in my defense, okay, and I don't really need defending, because at the end of the day, it's my money, okay? If I want to buy a bag instead of putting gas in a car, who gonna check me, boo? Okay? But however, I haven't bought a bag. Look, the Marc Jacobs cap, because I was going to say I haven't bought a bag since January, and the Marc Jacobs bag don't count, okay? It don't count. Yeah, I know it was $300, okay? But it don't count because it's a Capricorn. I'm a Capricorn, and I was raised to stick with my people, okay? Anyway. Let's do a tour. I thought I took all the stickers off. Hold on, I still got another sticker right here. And I don't know if I told y'all this before. This is just a suggestion. You do you. I'm just friends give each other advice or suggestions. Okay, this is me to you, friend. If you had these stickers on the bag, and I know it is very tempting, very, very appeasing to keep these little protective stickers on your hardware, don't do it, friend. Don't do it. Because let me tell you why. One, because it's tacky. It is. It's tacky. It's tacky. It's telling me you don't got like nice stuff and you just being overprotective. Okay? It's tacky. Okay? In my opinion. Of course. Okay?
I ain't got nothing to do with that. Okay?
And then also, if you keep the plastic on the hardware for a long time, it has the potential to rust your hardware because it don't belong on it. It's supposed to be there for a short time, not a long time, just to protect the hardware until you get to it. You know what I'm saying? What? Okay, anyway, do what you want. Do what you want, okay? I'm gonna respect it regardless. Do what you want. Okay, so here we go. Here is how the back. Can I take this off, girl? It's just dangling in the streets. Take this off. Okay. Now, I'm going to do a what fits in another video. Not this video. But I'm going to do another fit. Now, usually I'd be like, hey, do y'all want to see it fit? This time I don't care because I want to see what fits. I'm sorry. I just tell the truth. I want to see what fits, so I'm going to do it anyway. But you know what I'm saying? That's coming up. Okay. Now, it has a kiss lock closure that you pop open like this with a little half zipper. Alright. Now, the zipper does just go the length of the bag. How is this opening? Oh, that's not bad. Oh, okay, wait, let me show you this first. So, it does come with a top handle. Okay, let me throw that on there real quick. I was just making sure the plastic wasn't on that hardware. Okay. It does come with a top handle. And it also comes with... I was about to burp out, y'all. My bad. I thought I had to burp. Okay, let me get the plastic off of there. I know you like, girl, do that on your own time. You right, my bad. Alright, there you go. Okay, is it on this one? Oh, child. Okay, hold on. Give me a second. Stop being impatient. That is what's wrong with the world. You like, girl, there's a lot of stuff wrong with the world right now. Patience ain't one of them. It's a part of it. Okay, and it comes with a shoulder and or crossbody strap because the strap is is it adjustable? I'm always like, okay, no, it's adjustable. I assumed it was adjustable, you know what I'm saying? My intuition and everything, but it is. It's adjustable, so it could be a shoulder strap, boom, or it could be a crossbody strap. But then again, who's wearing? No, I could wear this crossbody. I'm about to say, who wearing this cross? I can do this crossbody. I can do the crossbody. Okay, there you go. Those are the straps that come with it, right? And then it has. This is very soft. It's soft in the name. No, child. Okay, side trunk. I don't know what's going on with Louis Vuitton canvases. I think at certain price points though, because what is this? 39 retail, 3,900 retail. I think it's a little over 39. Child, I ain't got my phone, but it's 39. It's either 39 even or a little over 3,900. I think certain price points now, Louis Vuitton canvases are getting more soft, pliable. Girl, plural mean more than one. Pliable. You can tell they're starting to use quality canvases on their higher price point canvas bags. I like that. Okay, and then it comes with microfiber lining, and this one is made in France. Oh, bless you, baby. My baby just sneezed. Okay, and then textile card. Nothing important. All right, and there we go. Now, this is soft, so I don't know if I'm gonna keep her stuffed, but I do want to do it what fits. I'm gonna do that next. So on the side, on the side, it has these, instead of, I mean, they're D hooks too, I guess, but they're a little different. I like that. Okay, and then it has the LV on the hardware. I think on the shelf though, I'm gonna keep this in the dust bag because I don't want the feet and the hardware at the bottom to scratch up by like constantly being moved. Bless you. What is wrong? I can get you some Benadryl. Go on. Okay, I know my baby got allergies. Okay, and then it has LV on the little hook. Okay, this is branded everywhere. And then little LVs on the treated vachetta. This is treated vachetta. You like, girl, we know it's not starch white. Okay, dang, I thought I took all this plastic off. Girl, all right, let me, one more, hold on. Okay, here you go. Yeah, I think this definitely got to stay in the dust bag. Now listen, I'm one of the people, right? And I should be shamed. I really should. And I'm considering whether or not I'm gonna be shamed about it. I'm one of the people that when I get something new, initially I'm just like, oh my God, protect it. Excuse me. I'm just like, protect it at all costs. Oh my God, keep it in bubble wrap. Oh my God. But then like when the newness wears off and the excitement of the newness wear off, then I'm like, so don't be surprised. Don't talk about me bad when you see me in another video and it's like behind me somewhere and not in the dust bag. Like I keep saying, I'm gonna put it in the dust bag. But I like it. I'm finally glad that I have her. This is really nice. This is really nice. You know what? Me being a Louis Vuitton fan of the heritage, of the original purpose of the trunks and the travel, you would have thought I would have gotten this when it first came, because it's a paid homage to the trunks. You know what I mean? You would have thought I would have gotten this when it first came out. But y'all, I had other things in my mind. No, what came out when? What came out? I don't know. I'm gonna look back and see why. But you know, I got it now. I think I paid an extra couple $100 because the price went up. So I was like 39. Wasn't that bitch like 36? What, 39? I think. I'm almost sure. I'm gonna look into it. I'm almost sure it was 36 and now it's 39. So I don't. That's my fault. Anyway, okay, that's my child trunk. Okay, good people, that is it. That is the unboxing reveal. Because I opened it before. I ain't gonna lie. I did. I ordered it on Mother's Day. It was Sunday. It got delivered on Saturday. I did wait at least until Mother's Day. Okay, I got a little decorum. But that is the unboxing of my new Louis Vuitton side trunk that is in the MM size. I am going to wear it. Am I gonna wear it today? Am I gonna wear it today? Girl, I'm about to wear this. Listen, I don't care. I'm about to wear this $3,900 bag with my $14 Amazon outfit. All right, who gonna check me, boo? Let me see. Is this cute? This might be cute, right? Put this on there. Oh, my necklace just dropped. That might be cute. Hold on. But see, this got a black, right? That might be cute. Huh? Maybe. I don't know. I gotta see what I'm gonna accessorize. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna accessorize. I don't know. Oh, wait. Hold up. Wait a minute. Can this go in the front? It's gonna hang from the side though. Oh yeah. That's it right there. Yeah, that's it right there. Thank you! Okay, this is an outfit. This a look. Hold on, this a look. Oh, this a look. I gotta put this to the back though. Oh, my necklace. And I'm all kicking it. I should just go ahead and put this on. Yeah, because I'm gonna wear this bag. Okay, my bad. Y'all ready to go? Okay, listen. Yeah, this cute. I'm gonna go ahead and switch out. This is my bag of the day. Okay, I can't wear this because it's too much. Well, it could be monochromatic, but I got my new bag. I want to take her out on the streets for a moment. Okay, hold on. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna switch out. I'm gonna do a what fits because I'm gonna switch out. That's my bag of the day. And I'm gonna wear her. I'm gonna keep Winnie right here next to my titty. Yeah. I like this. Okay. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm about to do right now. I'm gonna do it right now. So when you see me in the same outfit in the next video, mind your business. You already know that. You like, girl, you put it on the internet, you making it my business. And but you already know what it is. I'm gonna literally go and do a what fit so I can wear that bag. Okay, so that's why I'm in the same outfit. But I think that's it. So of course, if you haven't already, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from me, and then keep up with me. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. Everywhere is at Rakita's Closet, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye.